There is nothing as good and as amazing as watching two women get along and loving on each other. And this was at some point, Makumalo and Macele, they did show each other love so much. I don't know why that was the case at the time and why things have changed now. Whether because of the dynamic between Makumalo and Musa or there's other reasons, but somehow they don't get along. Remember, they even did a show together where they were talking about marriage and polygamy and just marriage in general. And the show did well from what I hear. And they're getting along. But somewhere along the way, things sort of were not working out and they are still falling apart. Maybe it's because of what Musa is doing to these women, because I feel like Musa pins these women against each other at times. And because Macele wants to be Musa's mother most of the time, she always gets the bad end of it. And this is a video that I dug up of Macele and Makumalo, and they used to get along. And I just wanted to share it because it shows how giving Makumalo is, and it also shows how Macele was loving and showing the same affection to Makumalo at some point, but somehow things changed and everybody just followed after that. Listen to this.
I'm being serious and I'm being honest. Like yabo uma ujwayele ukwenza and willing ukwenza, you don't expect ukuthi akwenzele kanti
deserve. Like you earned it. You deserve it, bro. You deserve it. I love you more, my friend.
I love more than I love you more, my friend.
You love the friend part, eh? I really do, Shane.
I love you so much. Thank
and
you.
It's so easy, like doing something nice for you because you appreciate a lot. I'm thinking you're saying it.